Wanna hear me talk about stars? Stars begin their lives in nebulas. Nebula is a distinct luminescent part of interstellar medium, which can contain of ionized, neutral, or molecular hydrogen and also cosmic dust. Okay, let me show you some examples of nebulas. First up is the Crab Nebula, which is quite unique, and it is well known for its it looks like an eye and stuff. Second is the Trifid Nebula. I think I said it correct. Yeah, it just looks cool. Third is the Veil Nebula. Yeah. When these nebulas collapse under gravity, a protostar is born. This is the first stage in a life of a star. It's kind of like a baby star. As the protostar continues to grow, it eventually becomes hot and dense enough to start nuclear fusion. This is when it enters the main stage, which is the longest stage in a star's life. Fun fact, our own star is currently in this stage, happily fusing hydrogen into helium. Once a star has used up all of its hydrogen, it starts to burn its helium, then it expands and cools down, becoming a red giant. This is the star's middle age. Also, Betelgeuse in the Orion constellation is a famous red giant. Finally, when a star has used up all of its fuel, it dies. Smaller stars like our sun will shed their outer layer and leave behind a white dwarf, while larger stars will explode in a supernova and leave behind a neutrino star or a black hole. It's a dramatic end to a star's life, but it also is the beginning of new stars, as the materials expelled in these events can form new nebulas. Okay, now we have the white dwarfs, the retired stars. They've run out of fuel and are slowly cooling down. White dwarfs are incredibly small but also really dense. Just a teaspoon of white dwarf material would weigh as much as an elephant. The first time a white dwarf was discovered, it was in 1910, and the name white dwarf was coined by Wilhelm Leuten in 1922. Alright, the last thing we'll be talking about today is the black hole. Black holes are stars that have collapsed under their own gravity and create a region where even light can't escape. After a black hole has formed, it can grow by absorbing mass from its surroundings. Supermassive black holes of millions of solar masses may form by absorbing other stars and merging with other black holes. The first black hole that was discovered was Cygnus X1, and it was identified by several researchers independently in 1971. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.